Plastic Night Guard is a durable, custom-fitted dental appliance designed to protect your teeth from grinding or clenching while you sleep. If you suffer from bruxism, a hard plastic night guard provides a protective barrier, reducing wear on your teeth and preventing potential damage to your enamel or jaw. It also helps alleviate jaw pain and discomfort caused by grinding. At Medical Sway, we connect you with trusted clinics and experienced dental professionals. We guide you to the best care, but we don't personally perform treatments. Many patients choose night guards abroad for more affordable options, faster appointments, and high-quality care. If you're interested in protecting your smile with a custom night guard, feel free to contact us